Hi guys, this is MB Creations YouTube channel. Today I will show how to create the pop-out effect using Photoshop. First open Photoshop. Press Ctrl+O to open an image. Next, go to Layers panel and select this background layer and click on this lock icon. From the tools bar, select Quick Selection tool and from here select Add to Selection. Now I am going to select this person. Using bracket keys, you can increase and decrease the size of the Quick Selection tool. And when you are selecting, if your selection goes like this, press Alt key and click again, then you can get your selection back. Like that, I will select this person nicely. After your selection is done, click on this Select and Mask, and from this drop down menu select Overlay V, otherwise you can select whatever you like. In my case I will select Overlay V and put a tick for this Smart Radius, and from this tools bar select Refine Edge Brush tool. Now I am going to select this person's hair nicely. To do that, do as I do. Next, go to here and select New Layer and press OK. Now press Ctrl+N to create a new document. From here I will rename this new document and give other details as I give. From here select background color as white and press create button. Again go to layers panel and click on this lock icon, and from tools bar select ellipse tool and draw a circle by pressing shift key. From here I will select this default color. You can see the color code here and press OK, and I will give the outline color as white. You can see the color code here and press OK. Give outline value as 10. And from here select the outline as this. Now select layer 0 and from tools bar select gradient tool, and from here select this black and white gradient. If you can't see here gradient color like this, from here you can give a color. Double click on this and give color as black, and you can see the color code here and press OK, and double click here also, give color as white. You can see the color code here and press OK. Now select layer 0 and from here select this radial gradient and draw like this. Now select this both two layers, and from tools bar select move tool, and from here select this one and select this one, and go to layers panel and select ellipse 1 layer, and go to here and again select move tool, and also put a tick for this auto select, and click on this man and drag it like this into here. Now press Ctrl plus T and adjust it as you wish. I will adjust it like this. And pressing Shift plus arrow keys, you can move the layer like this. And I will rename this layer as man. And select the man layer again, and from here give the opacity value as 40. Go to tools bar and select pen tool. From here you have to select path. Now draw like this using pen tool. And press Ctrl plus enter. Now press delete button. Now press Ctrl plus D to deselect the selection. Now select man layer again and give the opacity value as 100. From the tools bar select eraser tool and right click, select eraser tool as you wish. Using bracket keys, you can increase and decrease the size of eraser tool and erase unnecessary parts you see. In my case, I will erase unnecessary parts like this. Next, select man layer and ellipse 1 layer and press Ctrl plus E to merge them. Now select man layer and layer 0 layer and go to tools bar and select move tool. From here select this one and this one. Now our edit is over. Seems like good. Let's save our image. To do that, go to file, select save as. Here you can rename your image as you wish. From here select JPEG and press save button. After that a window will be open like this. From here select maximum and give the quality value as 12 and press OK. Then let's have a preview of our image before and after. So this is the end of this tutorial. So if my video is good, please put a like and comment, and also subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be able to get notifications when I upload new videos. And also like and join with the MB Creations Facebook page. I have uploaded the link of MB Creations Facebook page in the description. Then I will meet you in another tutorial. Good day all of you.